Hello everybody, welcome back to Monster Train. Y'all know what it is. Covenant rank 3. Major battles now have additional enemies. Okay, Awoken Umbra. Starting with 2 making of morsels is interesting. Spells gain an extra upgrade slot. Revenge or spikes? I think we go revenge. We go for an Umbra unit. I'm willing to take that damage. So, start with that, add that, use this, it's actually really nice. Preserved Thorns is pretty nice. That's annoying. Still actually won't be able to kill him. Magma Morsel, heal up, sting, sting, sting. Yeah. There's our making of a morsel, which is nice. Finally. Took forever to get it, but it's here. That's also why we went with spells gain an extra upgrade slot, by the way. Was because we don't need to, but we're going to. This could work. I need the regen. Who do we have Seraph-wise? Devour your spells. Of course you will. Crucible Collector, Merchant, yup. Purge a card, get rid of a train. Call it good. We do need to go to spells. Spells is definitely next. Spikes? No. We don't want spikes. Honestly, it wouldn't be that big of a deal. But all things considered, no. I would not like. Really? Probably shouldn't have used that there, but oh well. $38 times 2 plus life steal. Let's give you sap. Let's thorns. Let's making of a morsel down here actually, and then we can do it up here. And then we'll sting you for no reason. We'll sting, because we might as well. And then we'll space prism. So I will admit, kind of banking on this this guy. The spikes wouldn't have been a terrible idea. I didn't expect it to be that easy, though. Oh, should we give her spikes? We really don't need her to have spikes. It's the same. I do want packed morsels, though. I need more morsels in general. We could go for another unit. What would we double? Probably wildwood. We could make a sting deck. We could. It's just getting it out of my deck. It's the only reason. I just don't want it in my deck. You would take a lot of damage. This is kind of why she should have spikes on her. Oh, they do 1 damage on death, don't they? Yeah. It's not really that big of a deal. It's a little upsetting, but... Okay, restore will preserve thorns, making of a morsel. Handful. I get it. Magma. Give me a rubble. Space Prism. Give me the Entumbro as well. Do I care? No. That's fine. Making of a morsel. I take less damage? I do. Do I restore or do I sharpen the edge? Razor sharp edge. I think I just restore, honestly. Okay. Sting. Making of a morsel. Shade split. Rubble morsel's fine. We'll sting you. Call that good. We plan on her dying. So what do we do? Sting, sting, heal. We don't lose this. Yeah, with our big boy up there, it's gonna be kind of hard to lose, honestly. I will take Unleash the Wildwood, though. Do I need a morsel maker? I really don't. I really, really don't. I don't. Having an animus of will. Ooh. This is our second fight? No, this is our first. What do we take? Maybe just draw? No, I think we take Fell's Remorse. I think we take Fell's Remorse. Okay, we need to upgrade some spells. Let's get rid of these train stewards. Alright, spell upgrades. Double stack. Kinda useless. Making a morsel. Cheaper. You son of a bitch. If we had a holdover for making of a morsel. Even if it costs 1. I will admit though, the fact that our making of a morsel's cost. Oh no. Okay, so you take one of the hits. Morsel miner, excavator. Do you not attack? You do attack, you just don't attack enough. We need to put another morsel in front of him. We don't have another morsel we can put in front of him. We should have stung him. I'm actually gonna unleash the Wildwood there. 17 damage. $17 damage is a little brutal. Sting's not gonna do anything. That's the only way we survive. And we actually take 2 of them out that way. Nothing happens to you, which is good. We'll unleash the Wildwood here. We'll double making of a morsel. And then do a razor sharp edge. I think we just shade split again. Okay, there's one of them. Damn. Almost had it too. Fuck it. Razor sharp edge you. You have restore on you, but I don't think it's that useful. Yeah, we'll take another 17 damage. Oh well. Let's just speed this up. There's a lot of no attacking, so... Yeah, that wasn't good. Morsel miner. Shade split. Shade split. Sting. Sting. Razor sharp. Heal. Wildwood. Yeah, he's kind of our big boy. I could see Grovel. I could also see Cannibalize. I could also see Gem Trove. What did we grab? We did grab Ember. Why is Gem Trove so much more expensive than Grovel? I'm adding spells because we have a spell eater. Hold over. Yes! That's what we're talking about. That's awesome. What else you got for me? Make our other one 0? Sure. 10 magic power? Unnecessary. Double stack? What would be good here? Chaos Portal. That's good. Actually, that's very good. I'm kind of annoyed that I've got a camera now because now I can't sit in like super weird positions because I gotta be in frame. But oh well. Shit happens. I don't think we want you bottom floor actually. Okay, we need the packed morsels. We also need to do that. We might as well engraft. We'll hit you with one of those. We'll hit you with... Ooh. We'll hit you with one of those. Then we'll give you the regen. As long as there's no sweep units, we should be fine. Yeah, that's kind of exactly what we wanted. You'll hit 2 of them. This is an issue unless we get a... Yeah, that's fine. Did we get one? Yeah, we got one. Of course we did. Who am I kidding? Of course we got a sting. I need to double sting here? Alright. I guess that's fine. Engraft. Razor sharp. I don't really want to cannibalize, but I will because it's more lifesteal, basically. Sting will kill you. I need another sting. I don't have another sting. We'll take 6 damage. Another 6 damage. This is not good. Do we have a sting? We do. Hit you. Making of a morsel. Is there a way? Is it possible? I don't think so. Reason why I say no is because we restore you. So here's what I'm thinking. 1 hit kills you, 1 hit kills you. There's no way we can kill him. So I guess we just do it to you. Take 4 damage. It's not terrible, but it's by no means good. So, really? Oh, sweep's annoying. I mean, we win, so it doesn't matter anyway. But like, oh, we can't? Alright. Yeah. I don't think we need any of those. Nope. Still fine. Another morsel maker with holdover. I actually think we go for damage on... Whenever you play a spell that costs... Whenever you play a spell in hand that costs less are reduced to 0. The only one that works with is... No. I don't want either of those. Get rid of a Shade Splitter. This is bad. Empowers with Rage, that's fine. Probably start on the top floor. Middle floor. Interesting choice. So you may think I'm weird for doing that, but the intention is that now we don't have to worry about if we can play a card there or not. And I'm almost starting to believe that we just restore her and like unleash the Wildwood. But we razor sharp edge our Gorge unit. He doesn't die. I was gonna say he better not. Morsel Excavator's fine. Magma's fine. Do we double razor sharp edge him? Shouldn't have done that. That still doesn't even kill him. It's not good. At all. Not good. Not good. Okay, first off, let's do that. Shouldn't have done that up here. Sting, sting, sting. Engraft. Heal. Heal. Little annoyed that we're gonna take 8 damage. Do we do 85 damage in 2 hits? Or in 1 hit? No, we need to do it in 1 hit. We need to do 85 damage in 1 hit. Or one of those. You're fine. Do we kindle? I don't think we kindle. You have sweep, dude. I hate your sweep. I'm okay with it though. We don't do 95 in 1 hit. Oh boy. That's so annoying. 1 damage away, dude. I mean, we're fine now because he does 100 damage a hit, but we don't really need these rubble morsels. Dude, why must you be like this? Health, health. Sure, give her some attack as well. Fucking sting you. Those sweep units are annoying. Okay, so we make King of a Morsel. We shade split. Cannibalize. We heal you. Razor sharp edge. Sting you. Sting you. Engraft. Heal. I'm not really worried about dying. All things considered, my biggest concern is we don't get morsels quick enough. Let's just quickly speed through this because we do jack shit for damage to her. Okay, making shade split. I actually want that, all things considered, so. Oh shit, okay. It's pretty solid. It's pretty solid. Draw. No. Merchant of Steel. Probably. It's like you guys can see the door over there, but it's on my other screen, so I'm not paying attention. Unstable vortex, huh? Let's get rid of razor sharp edge are actually pretty good. We just don't need them anymore. What are we duping? Yeah, most definitely. Yes. What? Oh, okay. I could see honest working if we get it in the same hand as a I'm giving it the spikes. We could have done it earlier. Spell shield, that's fine. Is it fine? Yes. It's actually fine. She has spikes. It's funny because I was just worried about it. I was like, oh no, we're not actually going to be able to do anything here. Because she just dies, but she doesn't. Thanks to spikes. And we got preserved thorns, which is really nice. Oh, that's no bueno. Handful. My mistake. That's dangerous. How much does he have? 58 times 2. That's why we have Unleashed the Wildwood. By the way. I'm sure some of you were like, why do you need Unleash the Wildwood? And it's just to keep her where she needs to be. Still doesn't kill you, huh? It actually hurts less. I can't in good conscience. I know we do more damage if we don't, or we take less damage if we don't use those, but they're almost a necessity at this point. Even taking that damage. You die now, right? Yes. Okay, good. Having 3 making of morsels is great for us. Sting's not gonna do shit. Rubble or rubble. Tough decisions. I mean, there's no reason for it, but... it doesn't matter how much armor this bitch has. We're really fucking powerful. Shouldn't have used that there, though. That's for sure. Oh, you enter with spell shield as well? That's annoying. Beautiful. Beautiful. Should do a little bit more damage, right? Yeah, I would say it's going to be really hard to beat us as long as we can buff this guy to hell before anything else happens. We probably didn't need that. Yeah, we actually want to go this way. Shit, we have so many coins, dude. We have so many coins. Okay, that's not what we want. That is. And now we get a shit ton of trinkets. Sure. I mean, when you have $1,100 left over at the end of the fight, so... I'm actually gonna sacrifice this guy. We don't have a lot of consume spells. That worked out well. Kill you. We'll hit you a few more times. Because we're not quite where we want to be. That's gorgeous. Self-mutilation, get out of here. We use that. A handful. Double making of a morsel. I don't really want to use my space prism right this minute. Because let's give you that. Because it's a consume spell. I don't want to use a consume spell. Thank God we got Wildwood Sap there. And we also have Kindle. I forgot about Kindle. So let's get rid of you. Let's do Ember Cash. Let's not use you yet. Let's making of a morsel, making of a morsel, making of a morsel, making of a morsel. And then we'll Shade Split and put one down here. I would say it's going to be pretty hard to beat us. Confidently. Especially if that keeps happening. I'm an idiot. That was my first spell. Oh, I got rid of one of my making of morsels. That's not good. Well, I'll tell you what. shit happens. Do we die to you otherwise? $43 will get hit twice, we'll take 14 damage. Rooted. I forgot about Rooted. How much damage can we get out of here? Alright, let's excavate it, Ember. Alright. Making. We're gonna Razor Sharp. We're gonna Engraft. We're gonna Shade Split. We're going to Rubble Morsel. We're going to Sacrifice. And then we'll give you... You don't need the lifesteal that much. And then... There's no reason to sting you. We just take 4 less damage. I didn't think the Rooted was going to be very useful. I was trying to think of a way we would use it, and I couldn't think of one. Turns out I'm just an idiot. There we go. Alright. They'll both be rooted, so it doesn't matter. Ungrateful Shard, Wildwood, and then Morsel. Okay, we can speed through this. This might actually be a win again. We might be on a 2-win streak. We are. That's a 2-win streak right there. Huh. Cool. I mean, I've been losing a lot. So the fact that I'm able to win 2 in a row, I'm just gonna let this play out. I'm gonna let this play out in slow speed. Hey, here's another win. It's a longer one this time, 43 minutes. But a win is a win is a win is a win is a win. I'll be honest, the channel heart really helped us out there. The plus 20 damage. It's not gonna be a great score. I know it wouldn't be. Minor bosses have increased attack, and we mastered some cards. Alright. Pretty solid. We kind of need to play Hellhorned and Stygian a little bit more. They're getting left in the dust. But if you enjoyed the video, please leave it a like. If you're enjoying the content, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.